hypothesis, the greater the force of the pullback distance, the farther the water balloon will go.
Procedure. We made sure that we had all our materials before we started. Then we had 2 of our group members on each side of the hurdle to make sure that the balance is even. Before we shot the balloon, we measured the height of the hurdle and the hill. After we placed the balloon in the slingshot, which was attached to both ends of the hurdle, then we pulled back the slingshot 1.5 meters and let go. We calculated the distance of the water balloon and added it to the pullback distance. We repeated the process for 2 more trials, but instead in the next 2 trials were done with a pullback distance of 1.6 and 1.7 meters. We made sure we recorded the distances of every trial so that later on we can check if our distances are accurate with our pullback distances.
In the conclusion, in the end, our hypothesis was correct. The water balloon did go farther the more the slingshot was pulled back. Our velocity increased while our pullback distance increased. Thoughts on improvement. There are many ways we could still improve our experiment. For example, our pullback distances could have been greater, and we could have used a more definite way of calculating exactly where our balloon landed. We might have had more accurate information if we put some kind of color of paint inside the balloon instead of water to see exactly where the balloon landed during the experiment. Using water made it harder to calculate the exact spot that our balloon landed.